Today we will discuss few important questions with answers from chapter number 1, the living world. So the first question is, where are living organisms found? So the wide range of living organism or living type is amazing. They are found in cold mountains, deciduous forest, oceans, freshwater lake, desert, hot spring, and almost every place on earth. As I said, you can see the logo of quantum, this over here. This is because MTE is in partnership with quantum. Yesterday night I have let you notified, right? So this is the answer. So you can take a screenshot, or no need, you can just print it out, print the answer. So as I am moving to the next question, it says, which living organisms create sense of wonder? What do they teach us? Firstly, understand the meaning of this question. तो इसमें है, the organism found in nature which create astonishments are beauty of galloping horse, migrating bird, valley of flowers, attacking shark, evokes awe or deep and a sense of wonder. Now what they teach us is, sorry for the inconvenience caused in between. So what they teach us is, they teach us about the ecological conflict and cooperation among members of a population and among population of a community. They also give information about molecular traffic inside a cell. Okay, so now we'll move to the next question. It says about what are the important characteristics of living organism. So they are growth, of course, by inside, not by outside. So ये outside जो होता है, ये outside में जो growth होता है, what it is by what? It is in only non-living organisms. But inside, from inside is occurring in living organisms. So growth is increase in mass, or increase in mass from inside is known as growth. Reproduction, produce of offsprings, capable of metabolize biochemical reaction, or we can also say metabolic reactions. Respond to environmental stimuli, ability to self-organize. These features can be considered as growth. Like we can, all living organisms grow, that is increase in mass. Multicellular organisms grow by cell division. These points are most important. Okay, they grow by cell division, multicellular organism. And in plants, this cell division by multicellular organism is seen only throughout their lifespan, but in animals it is seen up to a certain age. Cell division occurs in certain tissues also to replace the lost cells. Unicellular organisms do grow by cell division. Cell division can be easily observed under the number of cells by counting the number of cells under the microscope. Now increase in body mass is considered as growth, as I have earlier told in the explanation before. Now, oh sorry, I have missed one point. So in majority higher animals and plants, growth and reproduction mutually exclusive events. Higher, only remember that it is talkable about higher animals. So non-living objects also grow if we take increase in the body mass as side trend for growth. मतलब ये एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसका ऊपर से कुछ जन्म ले रहा है, तो दैट इज द ग्रोथ इन इट, बट फ्रॉम इनसाइड इट डज नॉट ग्रो. ओके, सो नाउ मूविंग. माउंटेन्स, बोल्डर्स, सैंड मॉल्स डू ग्रो, जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे बताया. नाउ द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स ग्रोथ इज फ्रॉम इनसाइड. Growth therefore cannot be taken as the defining property. No, it cannot be taken. So it is the most important point. Kindly go through it. The few questions will be from objective as well as from descriptive. So now the question is, keys are based on similar or constructing characters. So you get the answer over here. Keys are constructing. Moving on to the next question is, in case of plants, class with a few similar characters are assigned to a higher or lower category called division. So ये तुम्हारा जो बीच बीच में ऐसा ऐसा है स्लैश देखे, they are the options. So from here you have to choose. So answer is higher. Okay. Okay, moving on to the next question. Mules are fertile or sterile animals? So sterile. Next, in living organisms, growth is from inside or outside? Of course, yes, it is from inside. As previously said, one boy is asking me that I have not understood this topic. So based on my explanation, यहाँ पे एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, सपोज दिस इज ए स्टोन. this is a stone, and after it the mosses or some objects, dust particles appears or born on it, over it, up of the object. So that is the growth, that is also a growth, but from inside or outside, that is from outside, growth from outside. मोबाइल में व्हाइट बोर्ड में लिखने में थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है, काइंडली अंडरस्टैंड. So growth from outside is this, okay, but we in humans what happens, it is the growth in mass, the growth in mass, that is the growth from inside. So this is the thing. Next question is biological name are generally in Latin, okay. Next is the binomial nomenclature using two-word format was very inconvenient or convenient. Is what? It was convenient. Now see here, which one is the defining feature of life form? Reproduction, no. Cellular organization of the body, no. Consciousness, no. I am selling all this no because here one more option is available, both B and C. Both B and C is consciousness as well as cellular organization. In page number 2nd or page 3rd page number it is given, okay, kindly check it from the NCERT book. Next, the word systematic is derived from, of course, Latin word. Next, which process are basic to taxonomy? Of course, all of these, that is classification, identification, characterization. Also, if nature option is there in the exam paper, nature will also be the answer. Now, each scientific name has, of course, two components. What are the components? First component is the generic name or the genus, and the second component is the specific epithet or the species. Now, what is regeneration? Try yourself. This is a task to you. Very easy. In book also, book में भी लिखा हुआ है. Do it. Okay. State the characteristics of living. अभी living का characteristics क्या होता है? That they are made up of cells. They have a cell wall, well-defined cell wall. They have, means these are the only the experiments scientists have done, or these are the things or clues I am giving to you. You have to try by yourself, because this note is made by me. So here if it is written try by yourself, that means this is a homework to you, or you can take it as a task that it may appear on the question paper, so solve by yourself. I have already taught or gone through the chapter of living world. I hope my explanation was better. Short note on family. Group of organisms, this answer I am telling, no need to try yourself. Group of organisms in which different type of or different characteristics, different species of animals are together is known as family. Next, growth. Many a times I told you, try yourself. Rules of classification. क्लासिफिकेशन का रूल्स क्या होता है? बाइनोमियल नोमेनक्लेचर जो होता है, बाइनोमियल नोमेनक्लेचर, दिस क्लू आई एम गिविंग यू, उनका रूल्स बस तुमको लिखना है. मीनिंग ऑफ सिस्टमा. सिस्टमा मैं इसका भी क्लू देता हूँ. इट जस्ट केम फ्रॉम, मीन्स इसी सिस्टमा से सिस्टमैटिक्स आया है. अभी उसके बारे में तुम लिखोगे. Next, no more question is there. Only this much question I have prepared for you. I hope you have liked this session as well. My explanation is clear or crystal clear to you. So I hope you will be able to recognize all these questions that I have told you before. This all try by yourself is try yourself. And पहला वाला का सब आंसर मैंने बता दिया है. So now let's end this class here. Tomorrow I will start with the kingdom protista. Kindly go through it. Thank you for this time.